Do you have to learn to live with back pain? Back pain can be a game changer in life. It can really alter your quality of life, probably more so than just about anything else when you think about it. After all, there's not many things in the human body more important than your spine. Think about it. Essentially, all of your daily activities revolve around it. Bending, twisting, stooping, lifting, even breathing. If you have back trouble, it's really tough just to sit in a movie theater or at a restaurant, much less take a long road trip in the car. Your relationships suffer, your irritability levels are high, and it just sets you up for a lower quality of life than is necessary. In fact, back problems remain the number 2 cause of all visits to a doctor's office, second only to the common cold. And back problems now statistically are the number 1 reason of all disability and opioid consumption in this country by far. Unless there's been a sudden trauma, for example, most back problems are completely avoidable, or at least correctable, provided you catch it in time and treat the original cause of the problem on the front end versus waiting till it gets so bad that permanent damage sets up in the joints. This is the sole purpose of chiropractic treatment, as opposed to just perpetually taking medication hoping that the pain will go away on its own. That's insanity. Most of the time, the pain sticks around and lingers to the point of becoming reoccurring and chronic, causing long-term health complications. Your livelihood at home and at work ultimately depends upon your ability to function, and you just can't perform at your best when you're dealing with something as critical as back pain. Unfortunately, most people delay their treatment, perhaps resorting to some as-seen-on-TV gadget in hopes that it will just go away on its own, only to return over and over and over again, becoming long-standing and chronic, and in some cases permanently irreversible. So, time is of the essence when it comes to addressing the underlying cause of the back pain versus just treating the symptoms on the surface temporarily with steroids or over-the-counter medication. So, call us today and get back in the action tomorrow.